Welcome to a quick guide on how to allow all role mentions on your Discord server, updated for 2026. If you run a community, this can help ensure your members stay informed when important roles ping their teams. First, open Discord and go to your server. You'll see your server list on the left and the channels and roles in the main area. This is where you'll tailor notification settings so the right people get alerted without overwhelming others. Tap the server name at the top. This brings up a small menu with several options focused on server management. You're aiming for a setting that controls how mentions are delivered to members, so look for the path that leads to notification controls. It's the gateway to customizing who gets pinged and how. Select notifications. This section is where you can fine-tune how alerts are sent across the server. You'll find a few different toggles here for general notifications, but the one we want is the specific control that governs role mentions. If your server is large, you'll want to be deliberate about this to avoid notification fatigue while still keeping important roles in the loop. Toggle off suppress all role at mention. This switch determines whether role mentions are suppressed for users who might have the setting enabled to minimize noise. Turning it off means all role mentions will be delivered according to each member's notification preferences. This is especially useful for event organizers, moderation teams, or any group that relies on timely role-based alerts. To recap, you've opened Discord, navigated to your server, accessed the server name area, entered notifications, and flip the toggle for suppress all role at mention to the off position.